Have you ever wondered if the secret to radiant skin, a healthy body, and a cleaner home could already be sitting quietly in your kitchen cabinet? What if I told you that a simple box of baking soda could change the way you care for your body and your home forever? Before we dive into these life-changing tips, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our daily natural living hacks. Also, tell us in the comments, where are you watching from and what time is it where you are? We'd love to know. All right, let's get started. Imagine this. Centuries ago, before modern beauty and health products flooded the market, women relied on simple, natural remedies to care for themselves. Baking soda was one of their best-kept secrets, and today we're unlocking 11 incredible tricks every woman should know. 1. Treat kidney disease naturally. Let's start deep inside your body, your kidneys. According to Dr. Julian Whitaker, the body produces an alkaline substance that helps balance our pH levels. When kidneys struggle, acid builds up, but baking soda can help buffer this acid. A groundbreaking British study even found that baking soda slowed kidney disease progression by 2/3. Talk to your doctor first, but know that something as simple as baking soda could make a big difference. 2. Soothe occasional heartburn and indigestion. Picture this. You've just had a hearty meal, but suddenly that familiar burning in your chest creeps in. Most people reach for Tums or Alka-Seltzer. But did you know baking soda is a natural version of these remedies? Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda with half a cup of water and sip it an hour after eating. Simple, effective, and straight from your kitchen. 3. Boost your oral hygiene. We all love that fresh, clean feeling after brushing our teeth. But instead of pure baking soda, use toothpaste that contains it. Because while baking soda lifts stains, it can be abrasive if used alone. Trust me, your enamel will thank you. 4. DIY mouthwash magic. Here's a trick most people don't know. Baking soda isn't just for brushing. It makes an amazing mouthwash, too. Mix half a teaspoon into half a glass of warm water, swish it around, and you'll hit every hidden corner of your mouth, fighting bacteria and bad breath all at once. 5. Soothe painful canker sores. Anyone who's ever had a canker sore knows how painful it can be. Back in 1973, doctors at Sunnybrook Hospital discovered that baking soda improved canker sores for 7 out of 10 patients. Next time you feel that sting, try a gentle baking soda rinse to find quick relief. 6. Whiten your teeth naturally. Yellow stains on your teeth? Baking soda to the rescue! Its gentle abrasive properties break apart stain molecules without harming your teeth, and its antimicrobial powers fight bacteria. Smile brighter without the harsh chemicals. 7. A natural deodorant. Alternative commercial deodorants can sometimes cause irritation or allergic reactions. Baking soda, however, neutralizes the odor by making sweat less acidic. Just a pinch under your arms can keep you feeling fresh throughout the day. Natural, simple, and effective. 8. Boost your exercise performance. Ever feel that burning sensation when you work out? That's lactic acid building up. Research shows that consuming baking soda before exercise can actually delay muscle fatigue, letting you train longer and harder. Of course, check with your doctor before trying this method, but imagine unlocking your full athletic potential with just baking soda. 9. Relieve itchy skin and sunburns. Sunburn or itchy skin ruining your day. WebMD recommends baking soda for its soothing properties. Make a simple paste with water or add a few tablespoons into your bath to find instant relief. Say goodbye to redness and itching, naturally. 10. Brighten your laundry. Your laundry could use a little love too. At the University of Nebraska, researchers found that baking soda helps remove acidic stains by interacting with the acids in the fabric. Just sprinkle a bit in your laundry load for whiter, fresher clothes without needing harsh chemical detergents. 11. Remove carpet stains with ease. Carpet stains are a nightmare, right? But when baking soda meets vinegar, it creates carbonic acid, a powerful fizzing action that lifts stains from deep within carpet fibers. Next time there's a spill, skip the expensive cleaning services. Grab your baking soda instead. Baking soda truly is one of the most versatile and affordable tools we have for health, beauty, and home care. But remember, although baking soda is natural, always consult your healthcare provider before using it for any medical treatment. and test it on a small patch of skin before applying it widely, just to be safe. If you learned something new today, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you're first in line for our next videos. Also, tell us in the comments where you're watching from and what time it is. We love seeing where our community is tuning in from all around the world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.